Hi, I'm Emily, and I am here with Maya Murphy's attorney, Lauren MacDonald. Attorney MacDonald practices at Maya Murphy's office in Westport, Connecticut, and is admitted to practice law in both Connecticut and New York. My question today for Attorney MacDonald is, will my child's individualized education program, also known as an IEP, be reviewed, and what is the process of revising my child's IEP? When will my child be reevaluated?
Thank you for these questions, Emily. We are asked these fairly frequently. So the Individuals with Disabilities Education Act, or IDEA, sets forth rules concerning the review and revision of your child's IEP. The local education agency, or LEA, must ensure that the PPT or IEP team reviews your child's IEP periodically, but not less than annually, to determine whether the annual goals for your child are being achieved. Moreover, the LEA is required to revise your child's IEP to appropriately address any lack of expected progress toward the annual goals or in the general curriculum, the results of any evaluation, information about your child provided by you as his or her parent, or your child's anticipated needs. The IDEA requires that your child's regular education teacher, consistent with their membership on the PPT or IEP team, participate in the review and revision of your child's IEP. In modifying your child's IEP following an annual IEP meeting, a parent and the LEA may agree to not convene an additional IEP meeting to modify your child's IEP, and instead develop a written document to amend the current IEP. Within 5 school days, parents should be provided with a copy of the revised IEP, including any amendments. The IDEA mandates that a re-evaluation must occur at least once every 3 years, unless the parent and the local education agency agree that a re-evaluation is not necessary. Either parents or LEAs may request a reevaluation, though the LEA must first obtain written parental consent before conducting a reevaluation. Failure to provide the consent needed for your school to conduct a reevaluation may lead to the local education agency filing for a due process complaint or seeking other dispute resolution proceedings in order to conduct the reevaluation. The purpose of conducting a reevaluation is to reassess the educational needs of your child and determine, 1, whether your child continues to have a disability, 2, to evaluate the levels of academic achievement and developmental needs of your child, 3, to determine whether special education and related services are still needed for your child, and 4, to determine whether your child's IEP needs to be modified. In conducting a reevaluation, your child's PPT or IEP team will review existing reports and data to decide if additional testing is needed to determine whether your child is still eligible and continues to need special education and related services. If you have any questions about your child's IEP or reevaluation, please feel free to give me a call.